new $4 billion meme coin price explosion. As PlayDoge takes center stage, last chance to buy cheap cryptocurrency last updated August 24, 2024 at 9:41 GMT. 3 author Gary McFarlane, author Gary McFarlane. Our author profile share copied last updated August 24th, 2024 at 9:41 GMT3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews August 24th, 2024. A new meme coin price explosion is upon us, and the PlayDoge DOGE presale is in the eye of the storm after Fed Chief Jerome Powell signaled the start of interest rate cuts. In a taste of the next episode in the great meme coin expansion, Pepe's price is up 14% in the past 24 hours, Dogwif Hat 17%, and Popcat 20%. Meanwhile, OG meme coin Dogecoin has advanced 17% in the past 7 days as it readies for even greater things to come. After a period of retracement, risk-on sentiment is back with a vengeance, and greenfield virgin opportunities like PlayDoge, which is still in pre-sale, don't come along that often. According to CoinGecko, the meme coin sector market cap has jumped 12% to $46.5 billion in the past 24 hours. There are only 2 days before the PlayDoge presale ends on August 26 at 10 a.m. UTC. So early, contributors have no time to lose. It is believed that the launch of the token has been brought forward due to game development progressing faster than initially anticipated. That's good news for savvy investors participating in this one-of-a-kind presale opportunity. Not surprisingly then, there is rip-roaring excitement from traders as they make last-minute allocations to the newest meme coin. PlayDoge is a crypto-themed version of the Tamagotchi craze of yesteryear that will soon debut on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Growing anticipation about the game's prospects can be measured in the $6.29 million that the project has attracted. But there are now only 2 days left to buy play at the final low price of $0.00531. Time is running out for Diggins to buy into the latest iteration of Elon Musk's favorite meme coin community. PlayDoge's teasers on X show more dynamic and vibrant gameplay than the Bandai version, which sent adrenaline rush levels in their already pumped up community through the roof. The presale has a sellout target of $6.735 million, which, given the shift in sentiment in the wider market, could be reached before the August 26 deadline. Also, rates for early-stage crypto projects tend to accelerate as the fundraising nears its conclusion, explaining why the FOMO continues to build. Token claiming and decentralized exchange DEX listings will follow shortly after the presale ends. Aside from the total number of tokens available to buy, there is no other limit on the number of tokens that individual buyers can purchase. However, even a relatively modest investment could reap 10 times returns or more at DEX launch. PlayDoge Play is turbocharging retro gaming with crypto power. After unveiling the alpha footage of PlayDoge's mobile retro game, the project has been releasing additional gameplay clips on 10th. Among the new snippets is a peek at feeding time for the virtual Shiba Inu pet, where players must be sure to choose the correct food to feed their pet to maintain its health. As with the original Tamagotchis, regular feeding is critical to stop the pet from expiring. Although, unlike the original version, you will not have to go out and buy a new physical device if your virtual pet dies. As with the original, grooming is a key part of the game. Players will need to keep their virtual pet cared for by, for example, giving it a regular shower. These mechanics are all reminiscent of Tamagotchi, where keeping cleanliness and maintaining tidiness were all essential parts of the gameplay. These gameplay clips show that PlayDoge is all set and ready to be played on everyone's mobile devices with the monetizing power of crypto decentralized networks. However, the pre-sale has not been a hit just because of the game potential. The big draw truly hinges on PlayDoge's investment potential, with the project tapping into two hot trends in the crypto world: meme coins and Web3 gaming. How PlayDoge will take a cut of a $6.3 billion sector. PlayDoge differs from Tamagotchi because players get rewarded with play for their pet care efforts, so every ounce of hard work has an equivalent dollar value. The play-to-earn component allows PlayDoge to potentially capitalize on a market projected to reach $6.3 billion by 2031. And with its nostalgic Tamagotchi-like experience, it can also appeal to the original digital pet game fan base, which had collectively purchased 91 million devices by June 2023. But the best part is that PlayDoge lets crypto fans connect with their favorite dog breed on a more personal level while earning play, which the crypto world is increasingly dubbing the next Dogecoin DOGE. This hints at huge investment potential for PlayDoge, with its initial funds just scratching the surface of what Play might offer. As the game launches and more people buy and use Play, the token's value could take off. YouTuber Claybro has informed his 130,000 subscribers that PlayDoge is a 10 times launch proposition. That feels like an even surer bet in the light of the current flood of money, again pouring into meme coins. PlayDoge could be the next major meme coin with the play-to-earn game. To secure your share of the 4.7 billion tokens allocated for the ICO, visit the PlayDoge website, connect your wallet, and exchange BNB, USDT, or ETH for Play. Bank cards are also accepted. PlayDoge has been subject to an intensive smart contract audit by Solid Proof, which found no critical issues in its code, providing investors with peace of mind. Keep up to date with all presale and game development news by joining the PlayDoge community on X and Telegram. Buy Play now. Follow us on Google News.